Hi everyone, welcome back to Ashley's Kitchen. Today we are making a classic sweet and sour crispy pork bites. Just look at this. Every piece is coated in that glossy sweet and sour glaze. Golden, shiny, and so crispy you can almost hear the crunch. It's the kind of dish that makes you want to grab a piece right away. For the pork, you can use pork loin or pork leg meat. Either one works great. Cut it into pieces slightly bigger than cubes. Now add half a teaspoon of salt. Rub it in and push the meat to one side of the bowl. On the other side, add potato starch, about half the amount of the meat. Now mix them together until everything is evenly coated. Next, add water little by little, mixing as you go. You want the batter to feel sticky. Every piece should have a nice starchy coating. Then drizzle in a bit of oil to help it fry up extra crispy later. Give it a final mix and set it aside. Slice up some carrots. Cut a few pieces of green pepper and prepare some scallion segments. And slice the garlic for later. In a bowl, mix together 1 tablespoon light soy sauce, 2 tablespoons white vinegar, 2 tablespoons sugar, 1 tablespoon salt, 300 milliliters of water. Give it a stir. Super simple. Heat up your oil around 115 to 180 degrees Celsius. Mix the pork and starch one more time. Then drop one piece into the oil. If it starts bubbling within 3 seconds, the temperature is perfect. Add the pork pieces one by one. Spread them out and don't touch them at first. Let them set. Once they turn slightly golden with a bit of pink showing, take them out. Shake off the excess oil and put them back in to finish frying until firm. Now for the second fry. Dip your chopstick. If it bubbles almost instantly, the oil is hot enough. Fry the pork again. Remove once, shake it off, and fry one more time until perfect golden brown. Throw your carrots and green peppers into the oil for a quick flash fry. Then drain everything well. Leave a little oil in the wok. Add the scallions and garlic. Let them get fragrant. Pour in the sweet and sour sauce. Once it boils, add a little slurry of cornstarch and water to thicken it. When it's glossy and bubbling, drizzle in a tablespoon of hot oil to brighten it up. Now toss in all the fried pork and veggies. Give it a few quick flips, and we are ready to plate. Look at that! Shiny, glossy, golden, and absolutely mouth-watering. This is the kind of dish that makes you hungry the moment you see it. Let me try one for you. Oh yes, that salty sweet tang, the crispy edges and the juicy pork inside. With a bowl of hot rice, you're unstoppable. Give it a try at home, you're gonna love this one. Thanks for watching, see you next time!